Hi, Tim here with Clive Coffee. We're going to show you how to adjust the pressure stat on your Marzocco Linea Mini. The tools that you're going to need: a flathead screwdriver and a microfiber towel. We have already removed the top panel on our Linea. We're going to take a look at our pressure stat. It's located on the far side inside the machine, on this same side where your PID is. It's this round black and silver piece that has a screw at the very top. There are markings on the top of your pressure stat that show the direction for increasing or going clockwise with this dial, or decreasing, going counterclockwise. The best way to make changes on your pressure stats and to see those happening, we have already let the machine heat its steam boiler, and we're going to read the steam boiler gauge over on this side here. Right now it's reading about 1.4. By making a small eighth or a quarter of a turn adjustment, going negative or counterclockwise, I will now purge some steam from the steam boiler, and the goal is to let that steam pressure lower and then rebound. And on the rebound, we're going to get the true reading that we've just adjusted for. And you can see our rebound pressure is showing us the actual setting that our pressure stat is dialed in for now, and it's gone down about 0.1 or 0.2 bars of pressure. We would recommend your pressure on your steam boiler be between 1.1 and 1.4 and not to exceed 1.5. That's how to adjust the pressure stat on your Marzocco Linea Mini. For more information on using your machine, check out the links here. For other tech tips, visit our knowledge base at clivecoffee.com.